Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can make a histogram. Let's do it. Just select this column, then from insert, from here charts, we have a histogram. Okay, if you select horizontal axis, then right click, format axis, you can change bin width. For example, I make it for 5. Okay, good. From here you can add title. For example, mark distribution. You can change its property, color, and size. Also, if you click here and you can change its location, then select the chart, then from chart design you can change its color. You see, also you can change its design. It's up to you. From here I applied label. You can remove label. From here, chart data label you can remove. Also you can add. Also you can add axis titles from here. I think that's it. If you see it's helpful, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice day.